The real estate market had a big summer here in Northwest Arkansas with record high prices and low supply. We remained one of the hottest markets in the country. Hey, this is COLLEY Bailey with the LoneRock team here at Fathom Realty. Thanks for joining me on this monthly market update. So are you thinking about making a move to Northwest Arkansas? Well, I've got just the thing for you. My team and I have put together the ultimate relocation guide, which will save you hours of research and a lot of headache. I've linked to it down below in the description. So it's got top employers, the best hospitals, and a ton of other stuff that you need to know before making the move. The best part is it's free. 100% absolutely free. So just click the link in the description or the top pinned comment. I hope that helps. Now, as we predicted, our inventory stayed below 4 months of supply, and you can see that right here at about 3.88 months of supply. Now, that means we were definitely in a seller's market this summer, and as we get ready for schools to start back up and for fall to set in, we are still dealing with low inventory in our market. Now, in this inventory chart, you can see the number of active and pending homes here in July, right here, just slightly above our June numbers, which was similar to our peak from this time last year. Also, our number of closed transactions right here slipped back from last month's numbers a bit as the summer rush is beginning to die down. Now, as for active homes on the market, we still haven't recovered fully from the pandemic drop in inventory. We are now holding about twice the homes on the market as we saw in July of 2021. And you can see that right here. We got all the way down to about 800 homes in the market. And now we're actually at about 1,600 homes in the market. So it's significantly more than what we saw during the height of the buyer frenzy and the super competitive nature of the market that year. However, we're still not back to a normal market, and we still have about 36% fewer listings than we did back here in 2019, that July. But overall, if you look at this trend from the bottom and then in 2022 and now in 2023, it does appear that our market's inventory is on the rebound and buyers will continue to see more options to shop. Now, most homes are still finding a buyer fairly quickly, and at the mid to lower price points, multiple offer situations are still happening. This is keeping the prices for entry-level homes high here in Northwest Arkansas. However, there is a bit of a softening happening at the higher price points, and we're starting to see some price drops starting with properties priced over $400,000. Now, once again, just to recap, our May average home sale price jumped all the way up to $437,000 right here. That was an all-time record for our area. Now, our June number ticked down just slightly to $429,000, and then our July number fell all the way back down to $399,000. Now, this median price also corrected this month from $359,000 in June. Our July number dropped down to $342,500. Now, I do expect this pricing level to continue kind of around $400,000 at least into the fall, and as we see a rebound in inventory and as interest rates remain high, we will see a more balanced market this fall and winter. So prices should normalize, and I don't expect to see new highs for the rest of the year, although slight fluctuations up and down are totally normal for a market like ours. Now, the average prices per square foot held around $200 a square foot this month, down just slightly from last month. See, in Benton County, it's $197 a square foot. Washington County matched that. In Bentonville, it was $219, and in Fayetteville, $207. Mortgage rates have been the big story this year, and they have hovered below this peak of around 7% for most of this year. And but they are coming back up, and they're actually at about 6.9% right now nationwide. Now that is keeping homes unaffordable by and large for many potential buyers, creating a dampening effect on the true pent-up demand that we actually have for homes, especially as millennials struggle with household formation and starting to grow families. Many analysts are foreseeing rates dropping sometime in 2024, and that will correspond with another wave of buyers jumping back into the market, creating upward pricing pressure yet again. That's why we're recommending buyers take advantage of the opportunities that we're going to see this fall in order to scoop up a good deal. So just to recap, here's what all this means for you. Our Northwest Arkansas real estate market had a big summer season. We're winding down coming into the fall, and right now I'm seeing a big window of opportunity for buyers since prices are softening again. If you've been thinking about making a move, now might be a really good time to do that because you can shop as we slide into a slower market, often with price reductions, especially on these larger properties, and you'll have less competition from other buyers, and if rates drop in the coming years, you'll be able to refinance for increased savings at that time. If mortgage interest rates fall in the future, there will be another flood of buyers coming into the market and competing for the few homes that are available, and in that scenario, prices will jump even higher from the current levels. So locking in a good price right now may be a really smart bet. Then if you can refinance into a lower rate, you'll actually have the best of both worlds. So our lender partners can fill you in on all your options, including mortgage programs that may allow you to even buy down your rate. Also, I've put together a program here at the LoneRock team to find hidden inventory off-market homes for all of our clients without all the hassle and the competition from other buyers. Now, this has been and will continue to be our number one strategy to get you and your family out of your current home and into your dream home. So let's see what we can find together. Just look in the description to find a link to our signature Dream Home Finder program, and we'd love to get started working for you. All right, that's it for our August 2023 NWA monthly market update. I hope that was helpful for you. My name's COLLEY Bailey with the LoneRock team at Fathom Realty, and I'll catch you on the next one.